Today I'm going to walk you through the process that we go through to organise a drawer in a nursery. It can be super fun, but also super daunting when you're expecting a baby. So let's get organised. The key to being organised with a baby drawer is very simple. 1. Categorise all your items into groups that's logical for you. 2. Ensure there's a home for each of your categories and that these can be contained. 3. You want everything visible, which means that you can locate exactly what you need in an instant. We know time is of the essence when it comes to babies and kids. Alright, so we've gone through with the beautiful pregnant mummy and organised the baby's drawers, and everything that is in this drawer is now completely visible and totally organised. Have a look.